Mistral AI is one of my favorite AI companies out there. Their models are simply out of this world, as I think. I have been playing with their various models and their variants, and even their quantized versions are truly impressive. Not only the sizes are small, but the quality of inference is simply par excellence with any other 70 billion model, in my humble opinion. Recently, if you have been following my channel, I have been doing lots of videos on Mixtral, which is yet another model from Mistral AI, which is a French company. Just yesterday, the Mistral AI team has released Mixtral 8 into 7 billion model, which is a high quality sparse mixture of experts model or SMOE with open weights. This new model is licensed under Apache 2, and Mixtral has already outperformed Llama to 70 billion on most benchmarks with 6 times faster inference. It is the strongest open-weight model with a permissive license and the best model overall regarding cost-performance trade-off, as I mentioned earlier. It also has matched or even outperformed GPT 3.5 on most of the standard benchmarks. Mixtral has various capabilities. For example, it handles a context window of 32K tokens. It handles English, French, Italian, German, and Spanish languages. It has also shown strong performance in code generation. It can be fine-tuned or into an instruction following model that achieves a score of 8.3 on MT-bench. I have various other videos where you can learn more about this Mixtral, but in this video, I'm going to tell you that not only Mixtral has been great on locally installed servers, but also with the cloud platforms like Together.ai. Together.ai is yet another platform which enables you to build and run generative AI products quite easily and cheaply. By the way, I don't have any affiliation with them. It's just that they are quite a good company and I have been following them for some time. Now you can use these Mixtral models on Together.ai. They have released this press release where you can read more, and I'll drop the link in video's description too. You can either use this Mixtral models through this API call through curl, or they also have a playground where you can use it. All you need to do is to sign in with your free account and off you go. Let me make it a bit bigger so that you would see. Now this is the playground which you will see after logging in. Once you log in, then on the right hand side select the model you want to play around with. Let's go with DiscoLM Mixtral 8 into 7B. Now let's ask it few of the questions. I'll ask it why lion is the king of forest. Press enter and look at the speed of it. And they have just set the temperature or top P, top K default. I think these are the fine values. If you don't know what these values are, I have another video where I explain it in very simplified way. Okay, let's ask it another question. How to climb the K2 in Pakistan? Maybe I won't even say climb, I'll say how to go about, because I'm not telling it that K2 is a mountain and what exactly it is. Let's see if it model is able to infer that. Okay, now it is taking a bit of a time, or maybe I need to scroll down. Yes, I need to scroll down, it seems. Wow, so you can see that not only it knows what K2 is, but also it has given me a lot of background on K2 and then all the step-by-step instruction as how to go about it. I love it, by the way, this is great. Okay, now let me ask it um, a challenging question. I'm going to ask it. Okay, so I'm going to ask it this, that write me a full code to build a custom chatbot using OpenAI's API key. Code should be full application with backend and front end, and also give me steps to install it. Let's run it and then go down a bit and see what is happening. Okay, so front end is React. Nice. API request. Okay, create a chatbot. Okay, so I am not a Node developer, so maybe I'll ask it to write me in in Python because that is what I understand. Okay, let's see what is happening now. Okay, nice. So it is saying me full stack application front end HTML. That is good. That is what I was expecting it. And JavaScript main.js. Okay, so now this is a problem. I have clearly told it write it in Python, but it is giving me HTML, which is fine, but then it has moved on to uh, JavaScript. So it failed in the coding instruction one. Anyway, so this is it, guys. I think for the Q&A, this is pretty fine, but for code generation, I think it is struggling. So I hope that you enjoyed this session. If you have any questions or feedback, or if you want to share any of your experiences with any variant of Mixtral, including DiscoLM, please let me know in the comments. And of course, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.